Hey, Rhett Price here, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a feature that not everybody knows about, and it allows, say, system administrators, managers to see who is logging into the system, how long they're using it, if they're being logged out automatically, things of that nature. It can also be used to reference security information. So if you want to see an IP address or whoever was logged in, then you can pull that information. So normally you would run the support information application as you see here. This generally shows who's logged in to the system, things of that nature. You'll see right now no one is logged in, but you'll see this button here, user statistics. I can press this, and this will give me a screen that allows me to now pull a certain range of data based upon who is logging in and out. If I leave that blank, it'll simply pull all of the data. And you'll see I'll do that here, and I've got several fields like username, employee ID, the company that they're with, the type of statistic, then you have login date time, and then log out date time. So based upon this, we also show a number of hours the session lasted, and you can sort on this, so it's pretty handy information there. You have your session time in minutes. You have your login IP, and then the type of logout. Was it a forced logout from inactivity? Was it just a standard logout? That sort of thing. And so any of these fields you can filter on. Like, so if I had multiple people in here, I could simply filter here and it would show just those particular users. You can do that with all of these. You can sort, say, when people are logging in based upon date time. You can see that also. You can export this data to Excel to manipulate it there further. Same for HTML. And then you can customize the grid fields just like you can pretty much any of the other grids in the system there. And then you can also group. So if you did have a bunch of usernames here, you could simply do that right there, and it would group by that username. You could expand like that. The last thing I'll mention here is you can automatically delete user statistics after a certain amount of time. This defaults to 90 days. So this list can grow greatly over the years as you use the system, and this will keep that from clogging up the database with too much information. But if you want to say keep, or say 6 months, then you could adjust that here, and for 180 days. Yeah, so that's really it. All right, thank you.